Mistplay and CoinPop both reward users for playing mobile games, but neither app has a permanent game library. Their catalogs change regularly, so the number of available games depends on your device, region, and account. By the end of this video, you'll know how each app builds its game selection, what affects the titles you see, and which platform is more likely to have the games you're looking for. Start with Mistplay. Mistplay is built around helping Android users discover and play eligible mobile games. After installing the app, you'll see a personalized catalog of titles available for your account. As you play qualifying games and complete eligible milestones, you earn points that can be redeemed for available rewards. New games are added, and others are removed over time, so the catalog isn't fixed. Now compare that with CoinPop. CoinPop also rewards users for installing and playing featured mobile games. Like Mistplay, the available games can change based on your location, device compatibility, and current promotional offers. Two people using CoinPop at the same time may not see exactly the same game list. So which app has more games? There isn't a permanent winner, because both platforms update their catalogs regularly. Some weeks you may find more games in Mistplay, while other times CoinPop may have titles that aren't available elsewhere. The better comparison isn't the total number of games, but whether the app offers games you actually want to play. Another thing to remember is that game availability isn't the only difference. Even when both apps feature the same title, the reward opportunity, eligibility requirements, or gameplay tracking can differ. Before installing a game, check its details inside the app so you understand how rewards are earned. If you're trying to maximize your options, compare both catalogs before starting a new game. Since neither platform guarantees the same selection for every user, checking each app takes only a few minutes and helps you find the most appealing titles available on your account. The best long-term approach is to treat the catalogs as dynamic instead of permanent. As new partnerships are added and older promotions end, the games you see today may not be the same ones available a few months from now. Here's the quick recap. Both Mistplay and CoinPop regularly update their game libraries. Both personalize available titles based on your account. And the app with more games is simply the one offering the better selection for you right now. If this comparison helped, subscribe for more reward app comparisons, reviews, and practical troubleshooting guides.